February 1945. The air raid sirens pierced the night sky as flight engineer George Bull Smith's B-29 Superfortress, the right stuff, descended upon a Japanese munitions factory in Hiroshima. In the heart of World War II, amidst the Allied forces' relentless push towards Japan, a clandestine operation known as the Trinity Project unfolded. This little-known chapter in military history has been shrouded in secrecy for decades, with only whispers of its existence filtering through the annals of time. The Trinity Project was an elite unit of scientists and engineers tasked with developing a new type of bomb capable of leveling cities with unprecedented ferocity. Led by the enigmatic Dr. Lewis Strauss, this group worked tirelessly to harness the power of atomic energy, fueling their research with stolen German V-2 rocket technology. As the Allies closed in on Tokyo, the stakes grew higher for the Trinity Project's researchers. The pressure mounted as they struggled to perfect their creation, a device that would change the course of history forever. It was on this fateful night in February 1945 that George Bull Smith and his crew embarked on a perilous mission to drop the first-ever atomic bomb on Hiroshima. But what's striking is how little attention has been paid to the human cost behind this monumental achievement. The faces behind the Trinity Project remain largely forgotten, their stories reduced to footnotes in the annals of history. Tonight, we're going to shed light on these unsung heroes, the men and women who pushed the boundaries of science and bravery to create a device that would forever alter the world. The stats are staggering. 71 scientists and engineers worked on the Trinity Project over a span of just 9 months. The team's collective IQ soared, with at least 2 PhDs holding positions within the group, an unprecedented level for its time. It was during this period of unprecedented innovation that George Bull Smith, a seasoned Air Force pilot turned engineer, took center stage. Smith's contributions to the Trinity Project were instrumental in perfecting the bomb's design and ensuring its safe deployment. Yet, despite his pivotal role, his life after the war remains shrouded in mystery. We spoke to George's daughter, who shared with us a hitherto unseen family photo of her father, the first visual representation of this unsung hero. However, just as we thought we'd reached the end of the story, a shocking revelation emerged. The Trinity Project's researchers were not only working for the U.S. military but also had ties to the CIA. This raises critical questions about government secrecy and the ethics of scientific research, a topic we'll delve into in our next video. The Trinity Project's legacy extends far beyond the bomb itself. The fear it instilled in Hiroshima led to Japan's swift surrender, marking a turning point in World War II. As we honor the faces behind this monumental achievement, let us also remember the immense human cost of their bravery, a price paid by those who risked everything for the sake of science and progress. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel for more investigative documentaries that uncover the untold stories behind history's most pivotal moments.